What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video is going to be the final video for Duracoatings, guys. This is going to be the tire dressing and basically degreaser and tire like shine, a permanent shine. So the reason why I'm not at the shop is because I can show you guys can do this anywhere you guys go. You guys can do it at home, at the shop, anywhere. It's pretty much, user friendly. So let's go ahead and get into what you guys are getting, and then we can go ahead and get into the rest of the video. So in the kit, they provide a microfiber like applicator for the pre-treatment, the DuraCleaner degreaser, and then final step is the dressing, and then this goes with this one, and this goes with this one. They did have some black gloves, but it actually spilled in the car and like tore the gloves to pieces. So you do need gloves. I really recommend gloves for this application, just so your hands doesn't get crummy, and make sure you are in a well ventilated area so you do not breathe any of this stuff in, because it is really dangerous. It's some real heavy duty stuff here. So let's go ahead and get into the treatment. Oh, also you're gonna need a water. This car is for sale if you guys want to buy it. We're gonna need some water to rinse off the tires. All right, so the first step is gonna be using, obviously putting on your gloves if you're gonna be, doing some weird stuff. But you're gonna get the pre-treatment, and you're gonna use the blue applicator pad to put it on each tire, and then rinse it off, and then making sure you dry it with some old rags or something like that. And then you're gonna use the DuraClean like degreaser with the brush. Make sure you rinse it off with some nice water, and then go ahead and use the dressing. So first, let's go ahead and use the first step, which is going to be the pre-treatment. So let's go ahead and get into it. Gotta do the smell test, guys. Gotta do the smell test. They also recommend to do this with their tires off, but I don't have a jack and I don't feel like doing it, so one spot on the bottom just won't have the protection and with the end result. If you have a lot of meat on your tires, go ahead and do the inside as well. Honestly, guys, I did forget my instructions at work, so this might be the wrong thing to do, but it's going to be okay. You can always fix it with the step 2. So let's go ahead and get this rinsed off. Okay, we went ahead and dried it off real quick, just off camera real quick, but it looks honestly better than my back tire, if it's my own opinion. But there's still some gunk and some stuff like that on my finger here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use step 2, which is gonna be more tedious because you do have to spray and scrub at the same time, and making sure it does not dry on your wheels. So if you guys just got done running errands or whatever, please let your guys' wheels and tires cool down before, and do not let it dry onto any of your wheels, because it might bleach it. It might take off the clear coat over your wheels, so just keep that in mind. Okay, now finally for step 2 is going to be the DuraClean step 2, which is the degreaser. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is a little bit, the lighting is a little bit strange out here, but what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and spray liberally onto your tire. As you're doing it, you're going to go into up and down and side to side motions, and then don't really let it sit for too long, but go ahead and rinse it off, and then you're set for stage 3. So let's go ahead and get into it.
then immediately rinse it off.
This brush actually come in handy pretty well, but she's all nice and pretty much decontaminated, but you're supposed to do it until the suds go off, so let's go ahead and keep rinsing her down. Basically waterboarding your wheels until the bubbles stop. So you'll see some spots that I missed. You can always go back and hit them with the brush. I did rinse my brush out just in case. You want these wheels as clean as you possibly can. Okay, now with that being done, go ahead and grab another rag and dry these off. This process seriously works for all 4 wheels, so just for the video time being, I'm doing the 1 wheel, and then off camera I will be doing all the other wheels, and just so I can compare what one untreated wheel looks like as opposed to one treated wheel. So let's go ahead and dry this off and go back with step 3. Okay, now that the wheel is dry, we're gonna go ahead and use step 3, this mini, which is the dressing, which is the final step. Now that your wheel is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and use the applicator pad here, this Given applicator pad, and then the step 3, which is the dressing here. You can do it 2 ways. You can either spray it on. They gave me a spray bottle, which I will probably use, or you can just go ahead and lay it onto the pad itself and then apply it to your tire. After that, you're all set and done. Alright, now we got our little spray bottle attached to our Duracoating dressing. Just since there is like little indents and grooves, like little lines, I'm going to go ahead and spray on and then apply with the applicator pad. So let's go ahead and do that. Actually, got to unlock it first because I'm stupid. Go ahead and massage it in there like lotion, and you should be all set to go once your tire is done. And I almost sprayed the wrong thing on there. And it seems like to me a little bit goes a long way, so you can use just a couple squirts, but since I'm extra, I like to go a little bit more. After you've gone around it a few times, you're all set. Let it set and basically dry or cure, and then you're all good to go. Alright, so now we let it sit for a while. It looks fantastic, guys. Duracoatings, you guys did an amazing job with this product. Let's go. This is the one that I just did right now on camera. And then let's look at the one, or the back tire, that I have not touched at all except for regular washes. This looks amazing. And this is the one that I have not treated yet. It looks real dull, real plain. Looks like I use Armor All basically on the tires. It just looks gross. So we're gonna go ahead and touch up this one, obviously off camera, but I just want to give a big thank you to Duracoatings for allowing me to make these videos. Once again, guys, Duracoatings, the link will be in the description down below. And with all that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys found a new product that you guys can go ahead and use at home or at your guys' shops. And yeah, you guys know the motto. Stay focused, guys. Be safe. And I'm out of here. Peace.